who is the director of Soha Technologies, will conduct a webinar on design analysis with AutoCAD and Site Pro. Another events continuously for the CSE students. This is the machine. This event is a prototyping tools for UR and UX designers 2020 and payments handling this webinar is Mr. Vipul Vaste, who is the director of Tech Technologies, and evening session same kind of webinars were arranged for mechanical and ETC students, and we keep learning during this lockdown period. Stay home, take care, and one important instruction to all: everyone should attend webinars sincerely and regularly, and take knowledge of updated technologies to meet the industrial expectation and get the best placement, and as well as you get the best certification. Thank you very much. Hello,
Hello.
thank you. Hello, madam. Thank you to
Yeah, yeah,
Jyoti
yeah.
Tarangi ma'am for
Thank
Thank you
you
so
organizing this
much,
so
sir.
wonderful
much.
session. Thank you.
Thank you so much,
Yeah,
sir.
thank you very much.
Thank you.
Well, Vimal sir, can you pin to me?
You have already pinned here, I think.
Well,
1 minute,
students,
just. Yeah, you have pinned.
yeah. Good morning to all of you students. This is an webinar of series of webinar 2020, which is organized in sync with ADJ Tech and Sena College of Engineering. Like we have a pool of eminent personalities, professionals, IT industry experts who are going to deliver this seminar, and specifically uh, the session, the session which is going to supposed to start.
Hello.
Ma'am, someone muted you.
Hello.
Yeah, now fine.
Yeah. So
Hello.
Mr. Vimal Oja sir, who is an director of Soha Technologies
Okay.
from Jaipur, he is going to conduct this specific seminar for civil students, which is on design analysis and AutoCAD using AutoCAD and StatPro. So I really appreciate the joinees and the attendees who have made up that, who have proved that COVID cannot stop learning.
Yeah, who is Bhojraj? He is muting to Jyoti, ma'am.
Just a moment. I'll just have it check.
Ma'am, who is Bhojraj?
Mujraj. Okay, I'll get the information online. Don't worry. So hopefully you guys will enjoy this session, and attendees would be getting a participation certification. So I wish you all the best, and never let any COVID to stop you from learning. All the best. You can start, Vimal sir.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I am visible? Hello? 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 Jyoti, ma'am? Hello, Jyoti ma'am. Everyone is. I am audible. Okay. Thank you so much, Mane sir and Jyoti ma'am, for their precious and valuable words. Hope students have get motivated for that. And most important, sir, I am thankful to you that you still remember me. It's around 2 years to visit your college. But in the 3 day session, we will learn a lot of things. Because of COVID-19, I cannot come there. You all cannot come here for the learning purpose for your internships and training programs. But this is the time to explore ourselves from offline mode to online mode. Actually, in upcoming time, this will be the culture for the industries also. Maybe many companies will start offering to work from home for all times. So I am happy. I am happy here along with you for next 3 days, and hope you will fulfill your objective as well as Jyoti man and Mane sir also will see the objective of the 3 days webinar will be fulfilled. So friends, without wasting any time, I would like to proceed the session. So as you know, civil engineering is the most important part of entire engineering world. Only you are the constructor. You can construct a road for walking, for running, for riding. You can construct a good building for your dream house. You can construct the railway tracks for the motion of railways. You can construct the bridges for avoiding the traffic. You can construct the many kind of buildings for the purpose of service of people and goods. So this is the time where we should start this session from the fundamentals of the structure, because whatever I have given the example here, it's a part of a structure. So guys, I hope you all are in third year and second year mostly, so you have aware about the structure and its certain features. We will also learn what are the basic kinds of load is acting on a particular structure, and what is the role of exactly the loading and unloading. We will understand this part also. Loading means this is what your role will come when we will think about what kind of load is acting particular thing. If you are going to construct a bridge and you are understanding what kind of load is acting here and how this bridge will able to sustain that particular amount of load. So guys, it is always very important to understand the loading phenomena. How the different kind of loads is acting differently on any kind of structure. So let's start. I hope you understand what is exactly structure. Structure is basically the combination of member or members which is designed for withstand a certain amount of load, which has designed for withstand certain amount of load. That means what? Suppose I am taking the example of this glass and I am considering this is a small structure. So this has also designed for taking certain amount of load. At least it can carry the weight of water, weight of milk, weight of coffee and tea, which has been filled here. And most important thing, if it is dropping for certain height from point A to B, it should be safe. That means failure should not be occurs here. So this is always very important for any engineer to design and construct such a plan, such a structure which can able to withstand certain amount of load in any condition. So let's understand what is the load basically and how many types are load generally acting on the structure. So the first part is what? In the loading, the first part is the dead load. What is basically dead load? Dead load is the self weight of the structure. The total self weight of the structure is called basically dead load. Second one is what? Live load. And most important, guys, understand, we will complete design and analysis this load during today's session, tomorrow's session and day after tomorrow's session. So in 3 days you will learn the basic fundamentals of STAAD, obviously with the help of 2-3 examples. So I will start these activities on STAAD so that you can see and learn, and will be fine if you are carrying your laptops by tomorrow sessions. If you have, if you don't have, then it's not a like any kind of problem for that. You can learn the steps, you can do it further. So what is the live load basically? The low continuous varying load is called live. Suppose working of human being on the structure or inside the structure, and the weight of some goods which is moving from one place to another place, like chair, table, sofas. This kind of load is also considered as a live load. And then third one is what? We in design perspective we are calling it floor load. Floor load, this is comes into the, sometimes we are considering it into the dead load. But floor is what? The entire live load is acting on the floor, and the floor load is transmitting to the ground through the walls and beam and columns. And so what is the next one? So next one this is what? The next loading is, I am considering the wind load. What is the wind load and how it is acting? I will give you 30-minute session tomorrow, especially based on the wind. We will understand how the air is coming and interacting with your structure. This is important thing, how the air is coming and interacting with your structure. And if the coming air is interacting with your windows and entering into the house, so which kind of effect that can produce. So we need to understand this part also. And guys, most important thing, at which point air will start acting. Suppose this is the building of one floor. So designers don't consider that at single floor there is any kind of effect of building. But yes, always it is acting. You have seen in the time of thunder, the first floor is always, if it is like we have constructed it with the help of sheet metal. So you can see that it's not good for the roofing purpose. This is shifting from one place to another during the thunder, during the high velocity. When high velocity air is coming, and suppose here is any kind of, we have put the certain suppose this is what we are using here. We are using here this is the what? Roof. And when air is coming, that is impacting from this place to this place and trying to damaging this roof first. So we need to consider a plan. We need to suppose this is a plan, our plan, and if it is air is coming, so that is acting from this place, this place, this place, this place. The effect of air at this point is less and starting increasing with height. and it is acting here with the most intensity. So that means what? If the height of the particular structure is higher, so that surface area will also increase. Because why surface area will increase? With the height, surface area will increase. So at the particular place, suppose in the first floor, the air is acting on this surface, and if the second floor also there, one more floor if I add here, so air will act from this point to this point. That means area will increase at that time also. And if surface area will increase, so you can understand, if the surface area is increasing, so that means what? The impact of air will also increase at same time. So we will see practically how the air is acting there. We will see it practically. And another load is what? Snow kind of load is acting on our structure. Snow kind of load means the load which is acting in where the continuous snow is falling, like north part of our country, Kashmir, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, some part of Uttarakhand also, and some north part of the Punjab also, where it's continuously snow is falling. So this is our engineer's perspective, that he will consider the snow load in that particular area only where it is falling actually. Another kind of load is what? The most important and uncertain and very dangerous, that is called seismic load. We need to consider the seismic load also. So seismic load is what? Guys, please don't try to do the unwanted activities. Students, your work is what? Just sit and learn. Don't try to present something. Don't try to present something. You are here for just sit and learn. And if you have copy and pen, you can note down the points. But of course, yes, if you want to ask something, you can ask the question in here. You can ask the question in chat bar if you are not getting something. But please don't present anything or don't play with your screen. Okay? So that will be good for us, so that we can save the time and I can deliver the maximum things for you. Okay. So let's go ahead. I was discussing about the seismic load. I was discussing about the seismic load. So how we can understand that this kind of seismic load is acting and how much it is dangerous for our structure. So guys, the most important things of a particular building, suppose again I am taking the example, suppose this is a building and this one is what? This one is the foundation of this structure. This one is the foundation of structure and this is the building. What will happen when seismic vibration will act? Seismic means earthquake. Technical terms we are saying it, that is the seismic load or seismic vibration. And when the seismic vibration is start acting on foundation, try to understand, if air is acting at this phase, that is not directly coming on the foundation. So it is always less dangerous. Dead load, that is acting on the structure transmitting to ground vertically downward, not a very dangerous. But seismic, that is acting here at the foundation of the any part. Suppose somebody, you are standing and somebody is just start vibrating your foot. How you can balance yourself? That is always very dangerous. So seismic is acting here at the bottom portion of the building. And if this person will start vibrating, see, if this particular portion will start vibrating, the entire building will start vibrating. And one more thing, I would like to attention you all. If the load is acting here, it's not necessary that this will also start vibrating. Or the load when the load will transfer from this point to this, up to this point, that will be neutralized, or very less amount of load will come here. But vertical loads are coming downward. If 10 kilogram is acting here, so obviously 10 kilogram will transfer here. Mr. Ajay, don't play with your screen. So that will what? The load is transferring from top point to here. There is not any kind of changing in dead load. So it is always very important to understand what is the behavior of our loading. If you are constructing a beam, if you are constructing a column, and tomorrow I will teach you how to construct the beam and column as per the required height and width. So here, if the seismic vibration is coming here and this is trying to vibrate the entire structure, so that's why I am saying it's a most dangerous part. The building will start moving from the bottom side itself. So for avoiding this kind of loading, we are applying this different kind of foundation so that we can reduce the effect of that. And most important thing, the seismic vibration is acting in only XY plane. XY plane means where it is acting. This is a parallel to ground, like this. The load is not acting on the upward side or a downward side. This is in a plane, one plane. So we can understand the vibration is what? Like this. This is not like this. This is not load coming from third axis to second axis or like this. The nature is very simple. It's a vibration. You can understand like a pendulum. This, and if you have feel sometimes that is similar like this. The table and chairs like doing like this. The fan is like doing this. So it is always very important to understand this phenomena. So we will also apply this particular seismic load on any structure and will try to get the results. And this seismic load is we can apply it on the basis of their codes. And in civil engineering, guys, codes are very important. Code means what? Code means what? Suppose I am saying 10A. What is 10A? Try to understand with it IPC. 10A means I have given the number 10 and A, something. And inside 10A, I have write the many terms and conditions. So to give it the short form, what we are doing, we are giving just, Mr. Sujit, don't play with the screen. So if I am giving you the 10 lines or I am giving you the 10A. So to giving you the 10A is what? It's always easy for me, but for you it's difficult. So to understand the codes, you need to understand what is inside the coding. If I am saying 10A, so how you will understand what is 10A? So also I will focus on this, inside the code, how data is filling, how we are doing. Suppose we are taking the, we are doing the analysis of seismic, a particular Osmanabad Solapur area. So how we will consider which values we are going to take for the seismic purpose, because the entire earth has divided into different kind of seismic zones, and India is also. The north part and northeast part has keep into the separate zone, south part is in separate zone, and middle part in separate zone, and of course west part is also keep into the separate zone. From Kashmir to Delhi, it's in single zone. So how we are doing this? How we can understand this kind of if vibrations are coming, north side it is higher and south side it is lesser, how it is acting. So by understanding this behavior, only we are doing this kind of activities. And most important, guys, what we need to understand is after application of these kind of loads, after application of this number of loads, how you can save your structure from this kind of loading. Dead load you cannot avoid. Live load certain you cannot avoid. What you can avoid? Wind load you cannot avoid completely. But yes, you can save yourself. I am giving you the simple example of a wind load, how you can understand. Guys, just understand. Try to understand how the wind load is acting exactly. Suppose you are riding a cycle, and when you are riding a cycle and you are rider, what is the important thing? Important thing is what? How much you are facing the air. And if you are straight on the cycle like this and you are trying to oppose the air, what will happen? Air will oppose you on the same manner. So that means that air will start you pushing backward. So we need to understand, if the air is coming, we cannot control it, but we can control our body. We can decrease the surface area where air is interacting actually. So with the help of this, we can avoid the effect of air. And if we are constructing a building, it is slight circular or in curve form, so you can understand air will come, but will not stay on the surface for a long time, will interact and go. So that means what? It has always less time. And one important thing we need to understand, you have seen in a picture and video, or somebody have visited Dubai Burj Khalifa. You can see the structure. The structure is like what? Structure is very understood. That means what? The bottom portion has higher surface area, and this is going to decrease. So as the height is increasing, the surface area is decreasing. So this is what? If that will not decrease, the dead load will be very high. So it is decreasing continuously. And guys, what we need to understand, let's apply this kind of load in a start pro. So I am going to start building, and just message me, I am visible. Guys, I am visible completely. I am going to present now. Yeah, I am going to present now the structure. Okay, I got it. हमें मराठी नहीं आता अच्छे से, नहीं तो you can understand very easily. I can share the entire screen now. Cancel this. Okay. Yeah, Hindi. I will try my best. Guys, you have seen the window of start? Please message me. You have seen the window of start, everyone? Okay, great. So here, what we are seeing, what is writing here? You can message. This is writing here. What is writing here? At the corner, New project. Thank you, Shreya. Thank you. You are concentrating here. That's great. Now everyone is just copy new project, new project, new project. Nah, right? Okay. So we can directly go into the new project, or some reference file here is active. So guys, I hope some of you have already attended my 2 days workshop where we have designed the certain kind of structure and applied the load there. But in this session we will do something additional also, so that everyone can learn. So this is what our multi-story building 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. तो दोस्तों ये 6 फ्लोर की हमारी बिल्डिंग है. इस 6 फ्लोर बिल्डिंग में as per the designing aspect, people says if the structure is from 1 floor to 5 floor, we do not actually required to consider a wind load. और जब हम विंड लोड नहीं कंसीडर करते हैं तो हम क्या करते हैं 1.2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय द डेड लोड प्लस लाइव लोड, वी आर गेटिंग द विंड लोड. दैट मीन्स व्हाट? दैट इज, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि अगर हम कंसीडर नहीं कर रहे हैं विंड लोड तो हम लगा नहीं रहे. दैट इज एक्टिंग इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अदर लोडिंग, एंड इफ वी विल कंसीडर, so that will act in different form. So here, if some of you are very new here, so for their purpose it's better to start a new project. I'll take a space here. We have 4 options: space, plane, 4 and truss. And guys, if you don't have this software, I will share a link. From here you can got it. Okay? From here you can download it in your PC, or I will share the certain tutorials for you so that you can learn it. Apart from this session, I will share a tutorial also so that you can perform the practice as well, because practice will make you perfect. And make sure to utilize your time, this golden time for study. You understand? COVID-19 is not good for the society actually, but this is the golden time for students. Also this is the golden time for the educational institute to understand how we can teach the students online also. So that is continuously teaching us a lot of things. COVID-19 is also very good for the nature. You can see from the UP itself, you can see the Himalaya right now, and it's a good thing. So we have taken and add beams. What is the beam actually? There are 2 kind of members. One is vertical, other one is horizontal. So beam is what? Horizontal member is called beam. You can add here beam, plate and many more things. Add beam and finish. So here we got a 1 window itself. Now what we can do here, we can just pin at any point here, here and here, and press ESC, and when click at this corner, and we have designed a simple, very simple structure. आप देखे होंगे कि कहीं कहीं पे रोड पे जब हम इंटर करते हैं तो हमें इस टाइप का एक गेट दिखाई देता है. आप ये कंसीडर करेंगे ये वही गेट है कि जब हम लोग किसी भी जगह पे रोड से किसी पर्टिकुलर सोसाइटी में इंटर करते हैं तो ऐसा गेट रहता है. आप कंसीडर करेंगे ये वही गेट है. इस गेट की ज्योमेट्री हमने तैयार कर ली है. ज्योमेट्री बन गया मतलब हमने 2 कॉलम लगा दिया और उसके ऊपर एक बीम रख दिया. इट्स अ सिंपलेस्ट काइंड ऑफ सिविल स्ट्रक्चर. अब आफ्टर ज्योमेट्री, यहां पे हमने वी हैव क्रिएटेड द ज्योमेट्री, एंड आफ्टर ज्योमेट्री वी विल मूव इनटू द जनरल. जनरल मींस व्हाट? जनरल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एनीथिंग. जैसे मैं आपसे पूछूं व्हाट इज द जनरल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ दिस बॉडी. जनरल प्रॉपर्टी मीन्स आपको कितना खाना चाहिए, कब सोना चाहिए, कब उठना चाहिए. माना कि आजकल सोने और उठने की आदत खराब हो गई है, बट ये बॉडी वही एक्सेप्ट करती है जो इसकी जनरल प्रॉपर्टीज है, उसके साथ हमें नहीं खेलना चाहिए. तो वैसे ही सिविल स्ट्रक्चर की भी सर्टेन जनरल प्रॉपर्टीज होती है. जस्ट सी इट. दिस इज व्हाट one box is open here. Here you can edit, define, section database, values, material, thickness and many more things. Where we are providing the thickness, thickness means is always consider the thickness of flow. So guys, here you can see we will go into the section database. Which kind of section we can take here. So you can see one window is open. First of all, this is American. We need to understand Australian, Brazilian. We will come into here Indian code, and I have taken in Indian code. You can go for S shape. अगर आपने स्ट्रक्चर पढ़ा होगा दोस्तों, तो आपने ये देखा होगा कि S shape क्या है. कल मैं आपको थोड़ा सा डिटेलिंग दूंगा. ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि आने वाला जो एजुकेशन का समय है ना, वो डिजिटल है. तो हमें पता होना चाहिए ये एस शेप क्या है, आई शेप क्या है, एम शेप क्या है और इनके डब्ल्यू शेप क्या है और इनके बीच में थोड़ा थोड़ा जो डिफरेंस है वो क्या है. सो आई एम गिविंग यू वन होमवर्क गाइज. आई एम गिविंग यू वन होमवर्क. अभी करंटली आई एम टेकिंग एस शेप एनी काइंड ऑफ एंड आई एम टेकिंग दिस वन इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड. ये क्या है? आई एस मीन्स इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड. हमने इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड का LB100 कोडिंग का एक बीम सेलेक्ट कर लिया. सो वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज एक्चुअली LB100 एंड आई एम गिविंग इट स्टील. नो प्रॉब्लम एंड जस्ट क्लोज इट. वी हैव टेकन हियर गाइज. आई एम गिविंग यू वन होमवर्क. आई एम राइटिंग हियर. You required only 1.5 GB data. Don't worry about it. It's not a big software. And what is homework? You can write here. What is the difference between S ST type B. So on your screen I have typed one question. This is your homework, and after this session you will go for okay, what is exactly this. So again comes on the screen. Stat Pro is visible guys. Just message me. Stat Pro is visible. Okay, fine. I got it. Sneha, Harsha, Vidya, Shraddha, Swapnil, Preeti Acharya, Ganesh, Pallavi, Sakshi, Aditya, Bhojraj. Yeah. So just learn here. So I have given the section database here. It is already saved. Now when this window is pop up, just save it. Now we need to define it. Define matlab you are taking it circular, rectangular, T-type, trapezoidal, general, tapered, which kind of section you are taking. So suppose I am taking it circular, and obviously it's a straight circular for bottom one. Okay, or I am taking a rectangle type, just rectangle type, and here you need to give the dimension. Rectangle 0.25. I am giving just 0.25 and 0.30. The dimension. Add and close. So I have taken one section and I have defined the properties. So friends, let's understand how to assign this. We have just created. Start is very easy to understand. What you need to do, you need to create something and you need to apply on that. जैसे कि अगर आपको अभी थोड़ा सा फीवर है, अभी फीवर ना हो किसी को, भगवान करे, टाइम सही नहीं है, बट मैं एक एग्जांपल देता हूं. अच्छा छोड़ दो, वो वाला एग्जांपल ठीक नहीं है. अभी जैसे मैंने आपको मैं आपसे कहूं कि आपको कुछ बहुत सारी चीजें आती हैं और बहुत सारी चीजें सीखने की जरूरत है. तो जो हमें सीखने की जरूरत है उसको हम दिमाग में लिस्ट बना लेते हैं कि अभी हमें स्टैट सीखना है, अबे हमें पर्टिकुलर ये टाइम का इंटर्नशिप करना है. तो स्टैट को हम इंटर्नशिप में करके क्या करते हैं, लिस्ट क्रिएट करते हैं हम अपने ब्रेन में. और जब लिस्ट तैयार हो जाती है तो देन वी स्टार्ट प्लानिंग एंड देन एग्जीक्यूशन. तो अभी जैसे हमने माने सर से हमारा डिस्कशन हुआ कि सर इस टाइप का हम एक सेमिनार वेबिनार कर सकते हैं. माने सर तैयार हुए, हमने एक प्रपोजल बना के भेजा था. उसके बाद क्या हुआ, माने सर ने हमें टाइम दिया, आप लोगों को इंफॉर्मेशन गई, वी हैव गैदर. सो दीज टू थिंग्स आर द बेसिक पैरामीटर्स एंड नाउ वी नीड टू अप्लाई इट. जैसे कि आज हम एग्जीक्यूट कर रहे हैं, पहला दिन है, वैसे अब इसको इनके ऊपर एग्जीक्यूट करना है. सो वी विल सेलेक्ट दिस वन फर्स्ट. उसके बाद क्या करेंगे, असाइन करेंगे. यहां पे देखो हाईलाइटेड है, यूज कर्सर टू असाइन करेंगे या तो असाइन टू व्यू. हम असाइन टू व्यू कहां करेंगे, जहां हमें इस पर्टिकुलर प्रॉपर्टी को पूरे स्ट्रक्चर पे देना होगा, वहां को हम असाइन टू व्यू कर देंगे. एंड असाइन टू सिलेक्टेड बीम्स का क्या मतलब होता है, आप किसी पर्टिकुलर बीम को सिलेक्ट करके कुछ प्रॉपर्टी दे रहे हो. एंड यूज कर्सर टू असाइन का मतलब क्या होता है कि हमने यहां से कर्सर उठाया और यहां पे यहां क्लिक कर दिया, यहां क्लिक कर दिया, यहां क्लिक करके असाइन कर दिया. तो हम आपको कुछ तरीकों से असाइन करके इसे दिखाते हैं. तो पहले चलो यूज कर्सर टू असाइन कर देते हैं. यहां पे क्लिक करेंगे असाइन, विल क्लिक हियर, विल क्लिक हियर, विल क्लिक हियर, अगेन विल क्लिक. सो वी हैव असाइन्ड इट. यस और नो, कंट्रोल जेड, कंट्रोल जेड. अब हमें क्या करना है, हम असाइन टू व्यू कर देते हैं. असाइन टू व्यू पे क्लिक किया और असाइन कर दिया. देखो ये स्ट्रक्चर अपने आप असाइन हो गया. सो हियर वी कैन यूज टू मेथड एंड अगेन कंट्रोल जेड टू अंडरस्टैंड द थर्ड वन. सो हम क्या करेंगे, अभी देखो हमने इस बीम कॉलम को सिलेक्ट कर लिया, अब हाईलाइटेड हो गया असाइन टू सिलेक्टेड बीम. अब हम यहां पे असाइन कर देंगे दोस्तों. हियर वी हैव असाइन्ड. सो अंडरस्टैंड हाउ वी विल assign. This is the like a types. Now we have assigned one property and what second one. Second is also the rectangle. We are taking this one as the rectangle, this one and this one. So just assign it. Assign to view. Simple do the assign to view. Here again it has assigned. And now guys, just I'll take 5-6 minutes more. Go into the support again and now we create to support. ये स्ट्रक्चर किस तरीके से रुका रहेगा. Here we'll click support. ये फिक्स टाइप का सपोर्ट हम ले रहे हैं, ऐड कर दिया. अब फिर से यहाँ पे क्लिक करेंगे, उसके बाद असाइन कर देंगे. सपोर्ट कहाँ पे असाइन करना है, ये लिखा है यूज कर्सर टू असाइन. ठीक है, यूज कर्सर ही कर लेते हैं. जब हमें 1-2 सपोर्ट देना रहेगा तो हम कर्सर की हेल्प से दे लेंगे, और हमें सपोर्ट ज्यादा देना होगा तो हम कर्सर से नहीं दे पाएंगे ना, तो हम सेलेक्ट करके दे देंगे. या असाइन टू व्यू नहीं कर सकते, नहीं तो ये हर जगह पे लग जाएगा. मीन्स यहां पे भी ऐड हो जाएगा, यहां पे भी ऐड हो जाएगा, एवरीवेयर वो ऐड हो जाएगा. अब असाइन कर दिया हमने, इसे भी क्लोज कर देते हैं. एंड आफ्टर दैट वी विल कम इनटू द लोड एंड डेफिनेशन. गो इनटू द लोड केस. Add. Which load we are taking? Today I will take only dead load and click here. Simple DL. Dead load. This one is dead load. And now add. Which is the dead load? Dead load is basically the self weight, and in software self weight means y direction downward, and since if we are taking load in downward, so we will not use to sign minus sign. For downward we will take a minus sign, and it's showing the direction only. Suppose we are taking 10. Okay, add this and close. You can also apply that it like a member load also, because we have a member and now we need to assign it. Just assign, friends. Use cursor to assign, or we will do directly assign to view. Assign. So here we have assigned this. Okay, and again one more dead load what I am taking, that is the member load. Go into the member. Load is what? -5. Suppose I am just taking GY direction, add, close. Click here, assign to view, because in 3 members I am going to apply. Assign to view. Here you can see the member load is acting. Here you can see the self weight is acting. Manner is same. Why I am giving the dead load in self and member load? So that you can understand कि dead load भी लगता है self weight, और member load भी self weight जैसा ही होता है. या अलग से आप किसी member पे कोई load apply करना चाहते हैं, so you can apply in member load section. Just close it. So loading condition we have done. Now इस स्ट्रक्चर को अगर हम एनालिसिस करना चाहें तो एनालिसिस साइंस प्रिंट करेंगे and we'll go here, analyze and print, we'll run the geometry. So here guys we can see that our analysis is going on this particular structure. देखो कोई error नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं है, स्ट्रक्चर हमारा अच्छा है. अब हम पोस्ट प्रोसेसिंग मोड में जाएंगे और हम आपको दिखाएंगे कि किस तरीके से हमने किया है. अब देखो यहाँ पे बीम देखो, where deflection you can see, forces if you want to see this forces acting, stresses here you can see the stresses is acting. Graph if you want to see the graphs here, bending moment and shear force graphs you can see. And if you want to see the animation, go into select deflection, apply and OK. और अगर अब आप ध्यान से स्क्रीन में देखेंगे बहुत ध्यान से, तो यहाँ पे बहुत थोड़ा थोड़ा डिफ्लेक्शन दिखेगा बहुत ध्यान से देखेंगे तो. सो गाइस ये होता है कि हम लोग किस तरीके से ये पर्टिकुलर टास्क कर सकते हैं. So I hope you have enjoyed this one. कैसा लगा दोस्तों? Just type a message here कि आपको ये सेशन किस तरीके से लगा. खालिदा वेरी नाइस, स्वप्निल नाइस 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 नाइस. Absolutely, it's very useful. अगर आपको थोड़ा बहुत आता है. थैंक यू आकिब, थैंक यू भोजराज, थैंक यू श्रेया, अनिकेत, थैंक यू श्रद्धा, थैंक यू काजल, थैंक यू ऋतुजा, थैंक यू वैष्णवी, थैंक यू अक्षता, थैंक यू प्रीति, थैंक यू मंथन. सॉरी अगर किसी का नाम छूट जाए तो ना. महिमा थैंक यू, चेतन थैंक यू, पल्लवी थैंक यू. हाँ हम लोग 11 बजे कल 11 बजे फिर मिलेंगे पल्लवी, 11 o'clock ओनली. थैंक यू विपुल, थैंक यू आकांक्षा, थैंक यू शिवाजी, थैंक यू संदीप, थैंक यू प्रवीण, थैंक यू पल्लवी, थैंक यू भोजराज, थैंक यू. कल और परसों 2 दिन और रहेंगे. सपूरा थैंक यू सो मच. हाँ मुझे पता है, मैं सपूरा को मैं जानता हूँ. सुकृति थैंक यू मंथन. कल हम लोग फिर से 11 बजे मिलेंगे, 11 o'clock tomorrow. TOMORROW. Yeah. Shivaji, thank you so much. Thank you. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this session. Also, particularly if you have any doubt, 634057 इस नंबर पे आप मुझे व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हैं. अगर आपके पास कोई डाउट रहे या कुछ आपको पूछना है, यू कैन आस्क हियर. यू कैन नोट दिस नंबर and you can ask anything on WhatsApp only. Just say this in your phone. So thank you so much. I hope you have enjoyed. Again, thank you to Mane sir and Jyoti ma'am for organizing such kind of energetic sessions. I also enjoyed with students after long time, and since 1.5 month. It is not good for me also, just sitting somewhere and taking certain kind of things. So Jyoti ma'am, you are here?
Pardon?
Software link, Aniket, software link I will share via mail.
All right. I do have a mail ID of everyone. If you want me to share on the drive, I can do that.
हाँ. So अनिकेत, आपको मेल पे मिल जाएगा, ड्राइव पे अपलोडेड रहेगा. यू कैन डाउनलोड फ्रॉम देयर आल्सो.
You share me on the drive, I will share it to everyone.
Yeah, I will share.
माझं चालू आहे तरी मला 4 वाजता नाही लागणार.
So we have ended with the session, sir.
Yeah, for today we have finished it. Almost it was 45
is
minutes.
To be free version, right?
Yeah, it's a free version.
Yeah, there's a question from someone.
1 minute. Yes, ma'am, please send it.
Sanket Salvi, it's free version.
Software. It's a absolutely free, Sanket. Sanket, it's absolutely free. Don't worry about. And you will able to use all features. आप भोजरा चिंता नहीं करो, भेज देंगे. Okay, keep the josh high. Jai Hind.
So guys, we'll be meeting tomorrow same time.